everyone, I'm Abby Morningstar. I'm a registered dietitian at Clemson Rural Health, and today we're going to be talking all about the plate method. So what is the plate method? Well, a lot of times as dietitians, we get asked on what's the best diet to follow, or we get asked all the time about different fad diets or a sustainable diet, but we always recommend following the plate method. The plate method is not a diet, it just is a simple way to lay out all of your meals to make sure you're getting all your macronutrients, vitamins, and minerals in. So the MyPlate is a version of the food pyramid or the My Pyramid that you may have seen going through school or health class, and that was the old way of making sure you kind of followed that pyramid to get all those food groups in. The plate method is a version of that, but it makes it a little bit easier to follow because it's laid out as a plate. So that way, when you're making your meals, it's super simple to follow those portion sizes and make sure you get a healthy diet. So the way this plate is laid out is your goal is to fill half of your plate with non-starchy vegetables or different types of fruits. If you have any questions about the difference between starchy and non-starchy vegetables, refer to another one of our videos and we'll go more into depth about that. But filling our plate with fruits and vegetables for at least half of that portion is the ideal goal. So then that leaves the other half of our plate. Well, in 1/4 of our plate, our goal is to fill it with lean proteins. So that could be chicken, fish, shrimp, turkey, or non-meat sources like eggs, nuts, peanut butter, tofu, things like that. And then that leaves us with a top portion, 1/4 of our plate left, and that's our grains. Our goal is to get in whole grains for this portion on our plate. Again, if you have a question about whole grains, we'll do a whole other video on it. But this is your brown rice, quinoa, oatmeal, a slice of bread, things like that. And the biggest key here is to make sure you just stick to that portion size. The plate method is not restrictive. You're not eliminating any foods. It's just controlling those portions on your plate, and that way you're following a healthy diet. And then finally, we have our dairy over here. So that could be a glass of milk, some cheese on your plate, yogurt, anything like that to top off your plate and finish out strong. If you have any questions about what we talked about, refer to any of our other videos and we'll break this down a little bit more in depth. Thank you.